भूमौ स्खलितपादानां भूमिरेवावलम्बनम् त्वयि जातापराधानां त्वमेव शरणं शिवे. To those who slip and fall on the ground itself offers support. Similarly, for those who commit mistakes in your worship, you alone offer refuge, O Goddess. चतुष्षष्ट्या तन्त्रैः सकलमतिसन्धाय भुवनं स्थितस्तत्तत्सिद्धे प्रसवपरतन्त्रैः पशुपतिः पुनस्त्वन्निर्बन्धाद् अखिलपुरुषार्थैकघटना स्वतन्त्रं ते तन्त्रं क्षितितलमवातीतरदिदम्. By pervading the entire creation through his 44 techniques of Tantra, Lord Pashupati then established himself in each of those techniques which bear fruit to a sadhaka. And then, again, upon your compulsion, he gave birth to all of the attainments of mankind. Thus, your systems of Tantra, unique and independent from all the rest, descended upon this world. Shiva Shaktih Kamaha Kshitiratharavishita Smaroham Sashakrastadanucha Paramaraharayaha Amihrullekhabhistisrabhiravasaneshu Ghatita Bhajante Varnaste Tava Janani Namavayavatam. O Mother, the 12 syllables in 3 groups corresponding to Shiva, Shakti, Kama, Kshiti, Ravi, Shitakirana, Smara, Hamsa, Shakra, Para, Amara and Hari, along with the sound Hrilleka at the end of each group, constitute the Panchadashi mantra, which describes the glory of your name and form. Smaram yonim lakshmim tritayamidamadav tava manor nidhayaike nitye niravadhi mahabhogarasikaha Bhajante tvam chintamani-guna nibadhakshavalaya Shivagnou juhvanta surabhighritadharahutishataihi. O eternal Goddess, yet others who are ever immersed in the pleasures of existence add the 3 syllables corresponding to Smara, Yoni and Lakshmi in front of the previous mantra and do a continuous chant of the resulting Ashtadashakshari mantra with Chintamani beads and hundreds of offerings of cow ghee into the Shivagni within them. Shariram tvam shambho shashimihira vakshuruhayugam tavatmanam manye Bhagavati navatmanamanagham Atasheshasheshityayamubhaya sadharanataya Sthitasambandho vam samarasaparanandaparayoho. O Goddess, you are the physical form of Lord Shambhu with the sun and the moon as the breasts. In turn, I perceive your flawless form to be of Lord Shiva's own self. Therefore, based on the principle of the relationship between the base and the accessory, the relationship between both of you, who are the embodiments of transcendent bliss and eternal consciousness, stands even. मनस्त्वं व्योमत्वं मरुदसि मरुत्सारथिरसि त्वमापस्त्वं भूमिः त्वयि परिणतायां नहि परम् त्वमेव स्वात्मानं परिणमयितुं विश्ववपुषा चिदानन्दाकारं शिवयुवतिभावेन बिभृशे. You are the mind, you are space, you are air, and you are fire. You are water, and you are earth. There is no abode beyond attaining perfection in your worship. In order to expand yourself into a cosmic form, you yourself are manifest as the consort of Shiva, embodiment of the bliss of consciousness. Tavagnya chakrastham tapana shashikoti dyutidharam param shambhum vande parimilita parshvam parachita. Yamaradhyan bhaktya ravishashi-shuchinama vishaye niraloke loke nivasatihi bhaloka bhuvane. Situated at your Agnya Chakra with the brightness of 1,000,000 suns, I worship Lord Shambhu of the beyond, who is of the form of two conjoined halves, through a devoted worship of whom one eternally resides in the realm of radiance, which transcends the realm that can be perceived through the physical light of the sun, moon and fire. Vishuddhau te shuddha sphatika vishadam vyoma-janakam Shivam seve devi api shiva samana vyavasitam yayoh kantya yantya shashikirana sarupya sarane vidhutantardhvanta vilasati chakoriva jagati. In your Vishuddhi Chakra, I offer my service to Lord Shiva, who shines like clear crystal and who is the creator of space, and also to Devi, who is manifest as an equal to the Lord, through the brilliance of whose moon-like shine, the entire creation, rid of its impurities, rejoices like a chakori bird. Samunmilat samved kamalamakarandai-karasikam bhajeham sadvandvam kimapi mahatam mahanasacharam yadalapadashta dashagunita vidya parinate yada datte doshad gunamakhila-madhyah payaiva. Next, I worship the pair of Hamsas that dwell in the hearts of great beings, relishing the honey of the fully blossomed lotuses of their wisdom, through the mutual songs of which one masters all the 18 systems of knowledge, and which separates one's virtues from vices, like separating milk from water. Tava swadhishthani hutavahamadhisthaya niratam tamide samvartam janani mahatim tam cha samayam yada loke lokan dahati mahati krodha kalite dayardraya drishti shishiramupacharam rachayati. O Mother, in your Swadhisthana Chakra, I worship the pair of you as Samvarta and the great Samaya, established with fire as their base, the enraged sight of which ends up in the burning up of all worlds, and the compassionate glance of which provides cool and pleasant relief. Tatitvantam shaktya तिमिरपरिपन्थे स्फुरणया स्फुरन्नानारत्नाभरणपरिणध्येन्द्रधनुषं तव श्यामं मेघं कमपि मणिपूरैकशरणं निषेवे वर्षन्तम् हरमिहिरतप्तं त्रिभुवनम्. In the Manipuraka Chakra, I worship the one who is like the darkness dispelling lightning, which is resplendent in the colors of a rainbow. I worship your dark, rain cloud-like manifestation that brings its showers, cooling down the three worlds, heated up by the sun like Shiva. Tavadhare mule सहसमयया लास्य परया नवात्मानं मन्ये नवरसमहाताण्डवनटम् उभाभ्यामेताभ्याम् उदयविधिमुद्दिश्य दयया सनाथाभ्यां जज्ञे जनकजननीमज्जगदिदम्. In your Mooladhara Chakra, I meditate upon Navatman, Lord Shiva, engaged in the Mahatandava with all the Navarasas in the company of Samaya, Devi Shakti, engaged in a pleasant lasya. I perceive that it is because of this mutual dance, graciously aimed towards the birth of creation, that this existence now has a father and a mother.